Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Alex Builds. Today we are doing issue 82 of Hachette Partworks Build the Terminator. Okay, so issue 82, what we're doing in this one is we're attaching the finger from issue 81 to the actual palm piece, and we're doing some other bits and bobs with the forearm. Let me show you what we're going to be doing. So these are the parts we get. As you can see, we get another one of these pistony pieces. This one's a little thicker. We get a ratchet joint, and we get this sleeve part, which is actually the for the forearm. So yeah, let me put these to the side, and we'll show you the magazine. So as we flick through, as you can see, we're going to take the two parts we've already got. So from issue 81, we made a finger, and this is what was left over from issue 80, which is the palm with two fingers. We're going to attach that finger. This wants us to do it with the pins and sleeves. Again, I'm going to be doing this with the Model Mods pins. And yeah, then we're going to take the forearm, attach this sort of larger piston part there. And then, yeah, screw that down onto there. Then we're going to attach the ratchet joint onto our actual upper arm assembly, just in here. Then we can take this forearm part, slide it through this sleeve. There is a slot and a groove to help you with the orientation of that. And yeah, that's going to go onto there, screw down the middle, just there, and yeah, that's what we should be left over. So we've got 3 fingers on there, and the arm is nearly complete. We just need one more finger, a thumb, and a couple of piston parts, and then we can attach that all together. So coming up next time, we assemble the left forefinger. So this will be the 4th finger to go on the actual hand, and that will only leave us with a thumb. So there you go. That's what's coming up in issue 82. I do also have issue 83 here. I picked that up yesterday from the newsagents, and this one will be live tomorrow. So let's get the parts open and start building. Okay, so starting off, this is what we're going to need. We're going to need the palm with our 2 fingers on, and we're also going to need the other finger because we're going to be attaching that onto here. This is just going to go just like before, attach just underneath, just onto there, just like that. But we also need one of these, which is our Model Mods finger joint part. There it is there. I've already pre-glued that in, so as you can see, it's already in there. So what we need to do is we're going to take this finger, we're going to slide this through the finger just like that, and then we have it just in there, just like so. So we can now slide that under there, just like that, and that can now have a screw put in there. So now let's take our second screw part. I can just drop that just in the top, just on there. You don't need washers for this part. And just start turning your Allen key into there. That'll grab that onto there. Got my fingers a little crisscrossed, but yeah, make sure it's nice and tight. Don't over tighten it around the screws. And there we are. That is 3 fingers now attached onto there. Okay, so next up we're going to use this part here, which is our forearm. As you can see, we've only got the 2 piston parts, the longer ones, so we're going to need to add the shorter one to it. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this, one of these sleeves. This is going to drop down through this hole at the top here, and then we're going to use one of those longer screws, and that's going to go through there and attach onto here. So when we turn this over, this is going to sit just on the top, just of there, just like so. So we can take that, trying to hold that in place can be quite tricky, but you might, let's try and screw it straight down onto there. It might help a little. Now, so I'm going to get my screwdriver, try and hold this straight. Right, sort of got it. Right, now we can hold it better and screw it down. Screw it all the way down. Just like that, and there we are. That is that now attached onto there, ready to receive the 3 other extension piston parts in these 3 holes here that connect onto the actual palm itself. So we can put this to the side for a few moments because we're going to actually bring in this part here, which is the upper arm, and just here we're going to be putting this black ratchet part. So we need to prep this first with some glue. So I do have some glue on this little pot piece here. So let's get some glue onto there. Smudge it all over. Me, I like to get all the raised parts and then put a bit of glue in between each one of them. There's one here, 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 and here. So we can take this. This is going to go straight down onto there. And we can turn it round, push it in, making sure that that lines up flush with that there. Just like so. Right, so next we're going to need to take this part here, which is our forearm, and this part here. We do have a slot down there and a groove cut out for that slot just down the side here. So we know we get the orientation right, because if you put it the wrong way around, it won't sit in. It will sit like that. When you get the orientation right, it will drop in like that. So that's that done. Now we need to line this up with our part on there. That's going to go onto the forearm just here, just like that. We can take one of these larger screws, the fatter screws, one of these. We are going to need one of these little washers on top of it. So let's drop a washer on top of there, just like so. I found this easier last time to actually drop the screw in first. Let's get that in, because it does not want to stay. Alright, so that's that on. Let's get this on, and now secure this to there. So let's just start screwing. Make sure you do have the washer in there. It's like a spring washer. So that's that. Remember, the tighter you do this, the more it's going to put pressure on that black ratchet part. I'm quite happy with that. So yeah, that is that part of the arm so far. There we go. That is this issue complete. So coming up next time is we are assembling another finger. So that's going to be the finger that is eventually going to go onto here. And then the following issue, we're going to be doing the thumb, which comes onto here. And I believe we're going to be attaching all this together, because there's nothing else to do apart from glue these parts on, these springy parts, glue them on, put the piston parts in and connect it all together. We've got the ball joint to put on as well. So yeah, it's really coming together. So there you go, guys. That's issue 82 all done, and the left arm is starting to grow now. It's starting to get nearly as big as the right arm. We just need the left hand, sorry, on there, and yeah, that's that one done as well. And then we can probably move on to the left leg. So if you like this video, guys, please leave a like down below, and if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all next time, which is tomorrow, for issue 83. Till then, guys, take care. Bye bye.